wait. Camera. Camera. Okay, camera. Now we open just the downside of a beehive to show a little bit how it's under the beehive, because here we can see the extra part of frames. Honeybees were making extra frames out of first box, and these frames will be filled with drones' eggs and drones' larvae. And this part is very useful to control drones and control varroa, because varroa is coming usually to drones' larvae. So that's why if we take at least part of a drone's larvae, we will take more varroa from the nest. It will be healthy for bees. And maybe extra drones not so important. And actually, if we take drones here, we do not disturb the total colony. Colony is inside the box. So we take only drones and do not take any frames. We do not dismount the box. It's a full. We're working, busy, and we are not worried. We are very quiet. So like here, we just open, and we are not very aggressive. We are just busy. And the same inside box. So this is for control of drones. So thank you for watching. This is a short story about drones brood. But still it will be growing and busy. Bees were buzzing. Thank you for watching. I like to show that our bees very busy and now making brood nest, and here drones part here, and it's recorded on telephone. And if you like, press likes and subscribe to our channel. I hope it was funny and interesting. Good luck and see you on our channel. Yeah, with animals, very interesting. So we're very busy and very funny, not so aggressive. Very quiet.